guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here then welcome. Please take a few seconds to subscribe to my channel and help me grow. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you some hacks that will help you get that glowing, spotless, clear skin this winters. So without wasting any time, let's start with the video. So in winters, it's very important to use a gentle face wash instead of a deep cleansing one. I am currently using this one from Forest Essentials. This is their Delicate Facial Cleanser, Kashmiri Saffron and Neem. You can use any gentle cleanser or you can make your DIY face wash. I have shown a few of them in my previous videos, so you can check them out. And just don't wash your face too often in winter so that it doesn't become dry and you're not stripping your skin of its natural oil. So there is also this misconception that winters we don't need to use a scrub that often because our skin is already dry. But winters we also use a lot of heavy creams, and then there is dead skin, so your pores can get clogged up. So you need to use a scrub twice a week so that your products can penetrate better. And you can use a store-bought scrub, or because everyone is at home and everyone has time, you can use a DIY scrub, which I'll be showing you, because DIY remedies actually work the best. For making the scrub, you just need some malai. Add to that some wheat flour, that is the normal atta that we use to make roti, and some granulated sugar, जिसको हम भूरा या पिसी हुई चीनी भी कहते हैं, and just mix it up. So now to apply the scrub, I am just using my hands. Just apply it all over your face and use circular motions to scrub your face. If you want, you can adjust the amount of sugar to give you a coarser or a gentler scrub. Spend at least 5 minutes doing this so that you can get smooth skin. As you can see, my skin is already glowing after using the scrub, and I assure you that your skin will glow too if you use this scrub. Now in winters, use face masks that can inject that moisture and hydration back into your skin. Two of my favorites in winters are the Mamaearth Upton face mask and the Face Shop British Rose face mask. Both of them do not dry out the skin and just make my skin so soft. But if you want a DIY option, I'll be showing you a face mask which I absolutely love. I keep going back to this DIY face mask and I hope you will like it too. For this face mask, you need cocoa powder. If you don't have cocoa powder, you can use coffee powder. To that, add some curd and some honey. If you have dry skin, you can add even more honey, and then just mix it up. This is my favorite mask to use in winters. It leaves your skin so glowing and soft. You have to try it once and see the difference yourself. Just leave this face mask on your skin for 15 minutes and then see the difference in your skin. You can use this face mask weekly. At least once a week would be fine, and you can switch it up with other masks. So I think facial oils are the best products to use in winters. I use this one from Juicy Chemistry. It's their Argan and Rose Face Serum. You can use any facial oil. A facial oil will ensure that your face remains moisturized for longer hours, and it will give such a beautiful natural glow to your face. I just take a few drops of the serum, take it on my hand, and then rub it together and press it onto my face. You can replace your nighttime or morning serum and moisturizer with just a oil-based serum for the winters, and you're good to go. Another great tip if you want to apply makeup is that take some foundation at the back of your hand, mix a few drops of your oil-based serum in it, mix it with your hand and dot it all over your face. This will not only prevent your base from cracking up in the winters, but it will also give you that perfect glowy winter look, and it will look really beautiful and keep your skin moisturized for hours. Now just press it onto your skin with a beauty blender or just your hands. You can see how my skin is glowing even after using a matte foundation. This is a trick I absolutely love, and if you have oily skin, just set it up with some powder and you'll be good to go. So in winters, a lot of people don't apply sunscreen that often because लगता है कि direct धूप तो है नहीं या ज़्यादा धूप नहीं है तो sunscreen की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But make sure that you apply sunscreen 30 minutes before stepping out always, because धूप हो या नहीं हो, your skin can still suffer sun damage. And for the winter season, I like using the Mamaearth Ultra Light Indian sunscreen. It's actually a bit heavy, so it keeps my face moisturized. In the summers, I use the one from Lotus. Now you should never do any conjuicy while applying a sunscreen. You have to apply a very good amount of sunscreen on your face, and of course you have to apply it before you do your makeup. But here I'm going to show you how you can apply it over your foundation in case you have forgotten to apply the sunscreen, and this will just ensure that you just don't walk out of the house without a sunscreen. Put a good amount of sunscreen on your hand and then use your fingers to apply it in a swiping motion all over your face. You don't have to rub the sunscreen in. You just have to apply it like a film over your skin, and in a few minutes it will absorb into your skin. Don't forget to cover any of the areas. You can see the amount of sunscreen I have applied. You might think I am insane, but this is exactly the amount of sunscreen you should be applying to your exposed areas. Now if you are applying it before makeup, you can just leave it like this. In a few minutes it will absorb and nothing will be visible. But if you have applied it over a foundation, then use your beauty blender and press it onto your skin, and it will just blend with the foundation. And see, it's done. You can't even tell that I have applied the sunscreen over the makeup. So there is no excuse to skip any sunscreen from now on. So on this side, I'm using a lip gloss. This one is from Nykaa. It's a pinkish nude shade. I'm going to dot it all over my cheeks. And then I'll use my hands to blend this. Can you see it gives a very natural and subtle pinkish flush to your cheeks, and it also gives a glow because of it being a lip gloss. And on the other side, I'm using a Maybelline lip balm and just again dotting it over the apples of my cheek and then blending it. So you can see even using a lip balm will give you a perfect glowy flush. I love this hack for winters and I hope you do too. Now our face tends to get really dry in the winter, so it's important that you keep using some kind of a mist to keep hydrating your face. Even simple rose water would do. And you can spray it even if you have applied makeup, so just keep spritzing your face. So this next hack is for a night cream. Trust me, this was the only skincare that I used to use for all of my years in school, and then after entering college I just couldn't find the time, but now I've started using it again and it does miracles to the skin. For this you again need some malai, add to that a pinch of turmeric. You can also add a few drops of lemon juice and mix it up and it's done. Just apply small quantities of this night cream and then rub in circular motions till the cream is absorbed into your skin. Don't apply a lot of this cream, you just need to massage it really well. And don't forget to apply it on your under eye and on your lips. Now just leave it on overnight and then in the morning wash your face. But if you're someone with very oily skin, then you can keep this for around half an hour and then wash it with warm water. Now the last tip is definitely a no-brainer, but most of us forget doing it in the winters, and that is drinking at least 3 liters of water every day. And winters में we don't feel very thirsty, so we don't intake a lot of water, but water is the best solution for all of your skin problems. So I just keep a bottle of water along my bedside so that I don't forget to drink enough water in the winters, and you can do that too, and trust me, you will see a difference in your skin. Okay guys, so that was it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, then comment down your favorite hack from the video. And also follow me on Instagram for more such beauty content, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Bye.